Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be talking about how to drive when you come to an intersection like the one you see here. Here we have a lot of traffic going on and a lot of turn signals and lights. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Now, for starters, not all intersections are going to be the same. As you see in this video, we're going to be coming to at least two different intersections. Like I said, some are going to be smaller, some are going to be a lot busier than others. But either way it goes, you want to know what to do when you are approaching an intersection. Now, let's always start with safety first. So all my new drivers, the first thing you want to do when you're approaching an intersection is you want to make sure you are braking your speed, make sure you're paying attention, make sure you are paying attention to the lights. If you can't see the signal lights, make sure you start to slow down. You should see signs like the one that just passed on the right. It tells you the speed limit when going through the intersection. You don't want to be zooming through the intersection because sometimes people pull out and you don't want to run into them, and vice versa. You don't want them running into you. So always when you're approaching the intersection, as you see here, make sure you're slowing down. You see the light is red. We're going to make sure all the cars go through. Now, at some intersections like this one in particular, sometimes due to the traffic, if it's a high volume of traffic, some people will kind of go through the light. Let's say it's a turn signal and they'll be turning. And some people, even though your light might be green, people still be coming from the other side. So, make sure you're aware of that as well. Well, as you see, this is one of the smaller intersections here. We have, three traffic signals, one for turning and two for going forward. So, as you see, people are turning, and right now, okay, so the other light has turned green. Now, this is what I'm talking about with traffic. These people here, not these individual people who are turning like this, they will still be going through the light even if it's red. So sometimes you got to make sure you be careful. Don't just stump the gas when you're ready to take off, because you might bump into one of them, because they sometimes will run the light trying to catch the light, or they're just tired of waiting at the light and they just keep zooming right on through. So as we see, that was a so we still have more vehicles coming. We're just going to be patient. See, our light is green, and we still had a few cars coming through the light. So that's what I'm talking about. Make sure you're paying attention, right? Make sure you're in the right lane. That pertains to your traffic signal as well. So if you're going to keep going straight, make sure you're in the right lane. If you're going to be turning, make sure you get in the turning lane early. Don't wait till the last second to get into the turning lane for the turn signal, because you might not have time to get over. Now, we'll be approaching a lot bigger intersection, so we're going to be doing that very soon. So just make sure you're paying attention to that as well. Now, a lot of this helps if you know the road itself. So, I know if you're a new driver, you're still trying to learn, but make sure you pay attention, because you want to learn where these intersections will be, because sometimes you'll be driving and it just seems like the light it'll turn to yellow and then red real fast. You don't want to be caught off guard. Maybe get stuck in the middle of the intersection when it turns red or something like that. So make sure you know when the intersection is coming up, and that'll help you be a better driver as well. Now here, this is a lot bigger intersection. We have two turn signals, two traffic lights, or turn signals, whatever you want to call them, that'll be telling traffic when to turn, like it is now. See, both of those turn green, so now that traffic will be going to the left, and you also have some oncoming traffic that'll be turning as well. Now notice the lane that I'm in, the light is still red, so that doesn't mean I get to go. Now, since this is such a busier intersection, they also have traffic cameras on this one to give out tickets if people run the light, because you don't want a person running the light in a busy intersection like this. It'll be a huge accident. So that's one of the good things about that. Now notice how the white car was zooming up pretty fast. They're trying to catch that light. That's what I'm telling you. When it comes to intersections, you have to pay attention. And also, just because your light is green does not mean you go ahead and pull out. I have seen it before where people, they light turn green and they'll go ahead and pull out. And what happens is they will get smacked by another vehicle, because the vehicle is trying to make it through the light at the last second. So for your safety, always double check, left and right before you pull out, even if you have a green light. Don't worry about people blowing the horn at you, any of that stuff, because if you get ran into, they're gonna ride right on by you. So make sure you're just paying attention. Check before you pull out. It doesn't take nothing but a second to check, and that'll help save you a long day and a lot of pain because you don't want to get ran into. So let's do a recap. First thing you want to check, make sure you watching your speed as you're approaching the intersection. Make sure you're checking to see what color the light is. Is it, is it green for you to go? Is it yellow for, time to slow down? And if it's red, of course you got to stop. Now, my take, I will have to show you guys in another video. If the light is turning yellow, I usually have like a cutoff point. So if it's a certain distance from the light that I haven't made it, and when it turns yellow, I just go ahead and stop. I always prefer, to take my time. Don't try to beat the light because, you can cause a lot of problems trying to do that. Even if you had to wait, I think that the main intersection or big intersection in light might be 2 to 3 minutes before it turns green for you again if you get caught at the light. I'd rather, be 2-3 minutes off versus having to spend a couple hours sitting at the intersection because had an accident or something like that. So those little 2 to 3 minutes, just be patient. With any driving, safety's first, and patience is a big one. You'll see a lot of impatient people trying to rush, and that's when things happen. You see now we have traffic on the highway, and it's going pretty. It's not standstill traffic where it's stopped completely, but it's going at a slow pace. But right now, this is time to be patient. Just relax. You're gonna get through it, and you'll be all right. But sometimes you have people who zoom through traffic or try to, well, I'm gonna try to keep cutting through cars, and then now you're gonna cause an accident. Now this particular traffic is here because on the other side of the interstate there's a huge accident, and so what's happening is people that are on this side of the interstate, they're actually slowing down to see what is going on the other side of the interstate. So that's why that traffic is backed up. But other than that, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.